Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to this new video on Solana. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about the fundamentals. We'll talk about the potential here, and just in general, what to expect from the price. Now, if you remember my video yesterday, what I said is that I did expect this breakout above 250, which was the main level we had to break out above. I did expect it, but I did not expect it yesterday, right? I thought we would drop down first into 230, 220, consolidate for a bit, and break out later, maybe at the end of next week, or maybe even later than that, to be completely honest with you. But I was wrong about that. I mean, yesterday we also got the news that the proceeds of the Trump meme coin actually went into buying some Solana. And that in combination with the general bullishness right now on Solana and the retracing of a potential Solana, or the repricing, excuse me, of a potential Solana ETF. I mean, the fundamentals for Solana right now are just incredibly bullish. All right, and then we haven't even looked at the data yet. I mean, yesterday the data always lags, right? So yesterday we could not see live data, but we're going to check it out in a moment. But what that meant, all that bullish momentum fundamentally for Solana, but also just in general a lot of technical bullish momentum for the entire ecosystem. But also, I mean, the volume right now is $25 billion. I'm not sure when the last time was that we saw that. I'm not even sure if we ever saw that type of volume. And the answer is no, we did not. All right, so it's incredibly bullish. Technically, we are bullish as well now that we have broken above 250. We'll get back to that a little bit later, but because there are some things with that level that you need to know and need to be aware of. But let's first start off with the fundamentals right now. Like I said, given the Solana ETF and just in general the Trump meme coin launch on Solana, those are already incredibly bullish fundamentals. But outside of that, what you can see right now is that the TVL all-time highs, $11.2 billion, DEX trading volumes, incredible. All right, the highs we made were like $7.1 billion. We more than doubled that over the last 2 days. So that's yeah. I mean, you can say what you want, but that's just incredibly bullish for Solana right now. Now, long term, I'm not sure if all of this development is bullish for Solana, because it is a bit of a extractive chain, I think. But that doesn't matter for now. For now, there is a lot of bullish fundamental news, but also catalysts. Technically, we broke above 250. The volume is at all-time highs. So what's most likely is, I think, a continuation into next price targets. Now, the obvious next price target is obviously $300. So yes, that is my target as well. But ultimately, I do think we should reach for higher. I think like we have to kind of take a look at the 1.618 fib of this move right here. I would say the next real price target is around 320, 330. So 300, important of course, because it's a major psychological level, but my main target would be 320, 330. The one thing that I do think you need to know about regarding that 250 level is that everything looks good right now, but the inauguration tomorrow is going to cause a lot of volatility and could also cause a sell the news effect. So what's going to be crucial is that we will hold this level between 250, and I even give us some space down towards 235. If we're able to hold that level, then we're fine, and we can head for the next price target. And I do, to clarify, I do think this is most likely. All right, so I think it's most likely that we'll have some sort of volatility, some sort of a sell the news effect, but that we will be able to hold the breakout and that we will be able to rally up higher. But it's something to be aware of. I mean, if you're playing with a tight stop loss, this might be devastating. Or if you're playing with a tight liquidation price even, which is absolutely horrifying. So be aware of this. Be aware of the potential price action, potential volatility in the next 24, 48 hours. But like I said, given everything we've talked about in this video, I do think we're going higher. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.